got Mary Megan out there on her performance horse, Sarah on another single low round or warm-up trip out there. And you guys are ready? Yep. Perfect. Thank you, Christina. So 6 rounds, and then we'll get Bruce back on another Whitney and Emily up on Lynn's horse.
In the pony ring, we're adjusting for the 3-foot high score on medal riders, the large high school